What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel Sniper Signals. Today I'm going to take you through a weekly forecast of the US100 on Nasdaq. Depends on what it's listed on or how it's listed, depending on which broker you use. I'm going to take you through US100, gold, and Gbpusd. You've already seen some moves coming into play when it comes to the US100. Okay, let's start on the monthly time frame as we use the top-down approach when it comes to technical analysis. So looking at the previous monthly high, we can see that price has broken through and is now coming back in to this range that was established with the previous monthly candlestick. So pretty much seeing bearish action come into play when it comes to US 100 in the long term. But for now, to really get a good picture of what's been happening, we must go down to the weekly. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. So when we look at Nasdaq on the weekly time frame, we can see that, or we can get a better picture of how price has been moving bearish for the past few weeks. From that range that was established with the monthly. You can see here we closed high, and here this is our low, and then this was our high, established for the previous monthly high. So we can see that we pretty much opened bearish, and then for the past few weeks now, we've been seeing bearish price action. From the previous weekly high, we can see that price is currently it might be looking to break this previous weekly low and then push to the downside into this fair value gap on the weekly time frame. So if we're going to look at the short term, just by looking at this price action on the weekly time frame, we would anticipate that price might be looking to push down for the next few weeks into this fair value gap, and then we might see some various price action on the lower time frames coming into play, and then we'll continue on this bullish price run we've been seeing with Nasdaq. But that's just a forecast, guys, just for anyone who's looking to invest in the long term, essentially. But if you're trying to get some more setups, for our daily traders, we do go down to the lower time frame. So let's go to our daily. Okay. So for the week, so this is our previous weekly high, previous weekly low. This was Monday, so we pretty much opened bullish on Monday, and now we can see today price has pretty much been bearish. So again, we might be seeing price look to take out this previous weekly low over here, and then maybe break this fair value gap and push down into this fair value gap on the weekly time frame. All right, let's go down to the 4-hour. Okay, so again, you can see the price on the 4-hour came into this OTE area and into a fair value gap, pushed up, didn't finish breaking out of this range within this bullish setup here. So initially, now we're thinking that price came here into this low, didn't break it, pushed up, but we could be seeing it take out this low over here and giving us a change of character, then pretty much establishing that we're now going to be selling in the long term on the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, so far so good. Then you go to the 1 hour. Oh yes, so yeah, last week I did give you that forecast that we're anticipating a sell. Price pretty much gave us that setup. We saw it open bullish, came up into our OTE area, also into a fair value gap. Under confluences mitigated it. We pushed down to take profit. We pushed down to take profit here. And then price pretty much gave us the same thing this week, where we've seen it open bullish, open bearish, push bullish into our OTE. We also found buy side liquidity over here. Excuse me, found buy side liquidity over here. We're looking to see price push down to this low over here, take out this liquidity that was left on the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, if you want to catch signals, sorry about that. If you want to catch signals, you guys can join. I'll leave a link where you can pretty much sign up to catch some signals for free. Yeah, so we pretty much would have caught this setup like this. Yeah, we have caught this. We're opening this trade right now, and then of course you can hold it depending on your risk management. You can hold this trade as we do anticipate it to be pushing to the downside for some time. Yeah, so that's US100. Some nice money, guys, to be made here. Just join the group, you know. So yeah, let's go to gold. Same thing, start on the higher time frame. Go to our monthly. Yeah, guys, gold has been doing crazy things. As you can see, starting on our monthly time frame, price pretty much broke out of this previous monthly high. So just bullish. It's been bullish since we've entered this month. Strong indication that we could be seeing price continue buying for some time in the long term. Let's come down to our weekly. Okay, so again you can see for some time, 1, 2, 3 weeks, you can see bullish price action. Last week we saw bearish price action, so this week could we be looking to break this previous weekly low, maybe push down into some kind of range that we might find on the lower time frame, and then look to buy to break this previous weekly high to continue that bullish price run on the monthly time frame. Let's go down to our daily. Okay, so okay, so again we can see that range on the daily time frame where price has been giving us some bearish motion for the past few days. Could it be looking to break this previous weekly low, and then perhaps come into this fair value gap here, this fair value gap here. Let me just fix that. As we are expecting this to just be a correction, the price might be pushing to come back. This is what we're anticipating for the long term. When we look at the monthly and weekly, this might be feeding into that perspective. We might see price pushing bearish for the next few days into this fair value gap, and then push to the upside, as we have been seeing again some bullish moves, price action for some time now. So yeah, that would feed into that. So long term, we believe we could be seeing a corrective motion into this fair value gap, and then we'll push to the upside as we anticipate for gold. All right, let's go to the 4-hour. So again, we can see price, we can see a fair value gap on the 4-hour, which feeds into this daily 4-hour fair value gap. But again, we are seeing this corrective, almost seeing this type of price action where we now might be seeing a reverse pattern, a reversal. The price might just maybe want to break from here and then push to the upside. Let's see what's happening on the lower time frame. 1 hour. Okay. Yeah. Same thing. Price open bearish. Went up into this OTE area. And then we can see from this opening in the previous daily high and low, price hasn't broken the high or the low. But judging from price action, we'd be looking to be selling initially. Yes. So we'll be looking to sell in this type of setup using ICT. Of course, again, we do believe gold might be doing something like this when we take our long-term analysis. Might be looking to come here and then maybe push up again. So let's see, guys. Let's see what gold is trying to do. Alright, so that's the forecast for gold. And then GBPUSD. Okay, go to our monthly time frame. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Okay, cool. So you can see from our previous monthly high and previous monthly low, price this month pushed up above the previous monthly high, and now we're seeing that currently we've been seeing some bearish price action coming with GBPUSD. Could we be seeing it close bearish, below this previous monthly low, maybe into this fair value gap here, and then continue pushing up, or will we be just seeing it push down for the months to come? Only way we'll get a good idea of that is if we go to the weekly time frame. Okay, so pretty interesting. You can see that in the weekly time frame, in terms of market structure, we've come into this OTE area over here. That price did mitigate. It didn't complete the range in terms of the bearish price action would expect coming in to this type of setup, but this might just be a reversal. There might be more orders, sell side liquidity sitting around here. But again, as you can see from the previous monthly candle, weekly candle, I mean, so bearish candle coming into this previous monthly high. So when we look into this week, we're seeing bearish price action. So again, could we be seeing price look to push down? Maybe like this for the weeks to come. That's what I would anticipate. But again, price can maybe you might see a setup within a lower time frame. The price is just pushing down, and then it might continue going to the upside. So let's take into a closer look into what's actually happening. Okay. Okay, so on the daily time frame, we saw price came up and took out this high, which gave us a change of character. So we are anticipating on the daily time frame that maybe seeing that it came into our OTE over here. We want to see if price might come and then push to the upside to take out this high over here. Yeah. Or could it be doing something like this? We might take out this OTE here, it might go lower, then push up further, or completely take out this low. It'll be interesting to see what price is trying to do in Gbpusd. But yeah, let's go to our lower time frame, 4 hour. Yeah, okay. So again, in the 4 hour, we're in a bullish market. We've been seeing price pushing to the upside for some time for the past few weeks. So again, price is coming to this OTE area, which gives us a good indication that maybe we're seeing something like this come into play. Maybe price is going to push up, or it might come down to push this area to hit this discount and H4, then push to the downside. But the trend is your friend, so first thought is we're looking to buy. 1 hour time frame. Okay, so again, guys, if you're looking for setup on the 1 hour, you look at something like this, you think that you might be looking to buy as it took out this low over here. So on the 1 hour, we're looking at a bearish market structure, but again, looking at the higher time frame, or taking that into consideration, I might think that sorry about that. I might think we're looking to do something like this. And take out this high, but again, it might just do this. Might just push to the downside. Alright guys, that's all the time I actually have to go now. Please do like and follow, leave comments, subscribe, like and share. See you next time.